Due to their wrinkled, dry appearance, raisins may initially seem unappealing. In reality, raisins can be a very nutritious snack. Raisins are a dried fruit made from dehydrated fresh grapes. They retain all of the nutrients of fresh fruit. They contain anti-inflammatory and antibacterial qualities. They are also high in antioxidants, iron, and calcium. Want to know the top 8 advantages of raisins? Here are the 8 health benefits of raisins. 1. Strengthens the immune system. Raisins are a good source of iron and vitamins B and C, which can help boost the immune system. 2. Strengthens muscles. Because of their potassium content, raisins aid in the support of muscles and the nervous system. 3. Regulates the intestines. Due to the fiber they contain, raisins help digestion as well as help people who are constipated. 4. Heart-friendly. Raisins help control blood pressure and improve blood flow. This is because they are high in catechin, a powerful antioxidant that cleans the arteries and gets rid of cholesterol. 5. Fights against infections. The phenolic phytonutrients in raisins can reduce inflammation naturally. They aid in lowering fever and reducing harmful bacteria activity. 6. Promotes oral health. Raisins help with foul breath because they contain olenolic acid. Olenolic acid protects teeth from decay, sensitivity, and fragility. The dental enamel is strengthened, and tartar-causing germs are prevented from growing. 7. Improves sexual life. Raisins contain arginine, an amino acid crucial for libido. Raisins are highly recommended for men with erectile dysfunction. 8. Natural energy. Because of their sweetness, raisins make a fantastic substitute for energy drinks. Raisins boost energy and help in the absorption of crucial vitamins and minerals. Raisins benefit people who desire to increase their physical performance. Did you know that soaking raisins in water overnight might increase their health benefits? Raisin water defends against free radicals and shields the body from numerous illnesses. Additionally, they facilitate gastric juice secretion, which enhances food digestion and absorption. Also, if you consume raisin water for 4 consecutive days once a month, it will help in blood purification and promote liver function. Isn't that incredible? Consider the following. Find out how to make raisin water. You'll need 16 ounces of boiling water, 1 cup of raisins. Directions. Bring the water to a boil, drop in the raisins, and turn off the stove. Cover the pot. Give it 24 hours to rest at room temperature. How to consume. Take a warm or hot glass of this infusion the following morning. To obtain all the advantages listed, consume once a month for 4 consecutive days. Raisins are a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes. Try drinking raisin water if you don't like bittersweet foods. Let us know what you think. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you want to see more recipes and advice.